Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into healthy snack ideas. Whether you're losing weight or building muscle, the right snacks are key. Quick, easy, and delicious snacks can help you hit your health goals. Let's get started. Snacking the right way is crucial. Snacks aren't just extras. They impact how you feel daily. Healthy snacks stabilize energy levels and prevent overeating. They fuel your body with essential nutrients. Chips and sugary treats often leave you sluggish. Let's explore our first healthy snack idea. Our first snack is homemade fruit and nut bars. They're perfect for an afternoon energy boost. Packed with fiber, protein, and natural sweetness, they're a great grab-and-go option. Mix oats, almonds, dried fruits, honey, and peanut butter. Press into a dish, refrigerate, then cut into bars. They're customizable with pantry ingredients. Next, we have crunchy veggie chips with hummus. Make your own chips with sweet potatoes, zucchini, and beets. Slice thinly, toss in olive oil, salt, and pepper. Bake until crispy. Pair with hummus for a protein-packed dip. Enjoy the crunch without guilt, and the hummus adds creamy flavor. Next is Greek yogurt with fresh fruit and chia seeds. It's perfect when you crave something sweet. Spoon yogurt into a bowl, add fruits, sprinkle chia seeds, and drizzle honey. It's packed with protein and fiber. A great post-workout snack or light breakfast. Let's elevate avocado toast with healthy toppings. Use whole grain bread, ripe avocado, radishes, boiled egg, and seeds. Toast the bread, mash avocado, and spread. Add radishes, egg, and sprinkle seeds. Drizzle olive oil and season. It's a mini meal with fiber, healthy fats, and protein. For a sweet tooth, try dark chocolate and nut mix. Mix dark chocolate pieces, almonds, and walnuts. It's simple yet satisfying. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants. Nuts provide healthy fats and protein. A small handful curbs cravings and keeps you satisfied. Next is peanut butter and banana rice cakes. Next up is a classic but highly underrated snack. Peanut butter and banana rice cakes. This is a great option when you're craving something crunchy and sweet, and it's also high in protein and healthy fats. 2 rice cakes, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, or any nut butter, 1 banana, sliced, chia seeds, or cinnamon for extra flavor. Spread peanut butter on each rice cake, add banana slices on top, sprinkle chia seeds or cinnamon for added fiber and flavor. This snack is quick, filling, and provides a great balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. It's perfect when you're on the go or need something to hold you over until your next meal. Next snack is cottage cheese with cucumbers and cherry. For a savory snack that's packed with protein, try cottage cheese with cucumbers and cherry tomatoes. Cottage cheese is low in calories but high in protein, making it a great option for those looking to build muscle or manage their weight. You need 1/2 cup of cottage cheese, sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, halved fresh herbs like parsley or dill, salt, and pepper to taste. Spoon the cottage cheese into a bowl. Top with cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and fresh herbs. Season with salt and pepper. This snack is refreshing and light, but still keeps you full for hours. Plus, the cucumbers and tomatoes add a boost of hydration and vitamins, making it perfect for a post-workout snack. Extending the closing additional call to action, 1 minute. Host, I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these healthy snacks. These options are not only great for keeping your energy up throughout the day, but are also full of essential nutrients your body needs. If you want more snack ideas, check out my healthy video linked in the description. I've got plenty of recipes that can help you stay on track with your health goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on healthy eating and fitness.